Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Super Valley Town Center. It's one of the newer malls in St. Andrew, and it's also a very successful mall, very busy, very popular. So we're going to take a drive through it. Now we are on Kingston Spring Road. This is the Manor Park area, and the mall where it's actually on Kingston Spring Road, so we should come up to the mall in about a minute. Now look at this bus. Unbelievable. When you say people drive bad in Jamaica, the bus literally is just, there is a person walking down, no bus stop there, and the bus decides to just pull over, block up the place, and wait on the person to walk down. Fortunately, that happens all the time in Jamaica. It's not a bus, it's a taxi. It's alright. Well, some things you just have to see to believe, and you just saw it. Okay, so on the right now is the Kingston Spring Police Station. On the left is the Kingston Spring Golf Club. And straight ahead, where you see that tall building, I guess you would say, straight ahead, that's the mall we're going to look at. Now, we have a formula. There's a simple formula that we use to know if your plaza is going to be successful. One, build it in a populated area, and this clearly is a populated area. Two, have a large supermarket to draw in the people. And three, have food stores in it. And once you follow those three rules, your plaza is going to do very well. So, this plaza is built in the Kingston Spring area. It's built in a very populated area, so that's covered. Now, in terms of the supermarket, now they have Fresh Foods, which is a very large supermarket, very nice. It's a new supermarket. It's one of the top supermarkets in Kingston now. And so they have that covered. And this is a Sunday. Today is a Sunday. You can see how busy the plaza is. And all of this traffic here is for the supermarket because the other stores are closed. Well, I shouldn't say it's for the supermarket, but alright, now if we turn here, we can go around the back. That's just like delivery stuff, and we can, so we're not going down there, we're going to turn back around. And then in terms of the food stores now, they have so many. They have Wendy's, they have Uncorked, they have Domino's, they have Cafe Blue, they have an Indian restaurant, they have a Chinese restaurant. So basically, this plaza followed the formula, and it's very successful, very popular. Okay, this gives you an idea of the supermarket. Very successful plaza, and you just need to follow that simple formula. We're going to take a look at some of the other side of the plaza basically, and take a look at some of the food stores. Okay, so right here you have Golden Fountain Restaurant, Malassa Walk, Wendy's, Domino's, Cafe Blue. There is even a Devon House ice cream place here. There's Uncorked. So it's a very successful plaza. You have other stores. Well, there are too many to name, but those are the ones that fit the formula that we use. And so that's it. Now this is a very new plaza. I think it's been opened. Oh, and look at the parking. Very nice. A lot of parking, so you don't have to worry about parking. Yeah, this is a new plaza. It was opened I don't think 5 years yet. It was under construction for a very long time. But it's finished now. Very nicely done. Now, we had put up a video on the channel about Millennium Mall. And everybody's like, oh, the mall is young. We had said the mall was a epic failure. And everybody was like, oh, the mall is new, blah, 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 give it time. But this mall, from it was opened, before it was opened, officially opened, every store was rented. Okay, so maybe the Wendy's wasn't open, but they had already secured the space, waiting on the mall to open. Millennium Mall is open and it's empty. I don't even think you have 10 stores in Millennium Mall now, and that mall is much bigger than this one. So the Millennium Mall did not follow the formula. They have no supermarket there. They didn't build it in the proper spot. I mean, maybe because they were going for the size, there was no space in the town of Maypen. But Millennium Mall is in Clarendon. So they did not follow the formula. And as a reality, it didn't work. I mean, no supermarket. They have a fast food restaurant. To let you know how bad Millennium Mall is, Sagicor built it. And Sagicor has a bank space, how would you say now, for their bank, Sagicor Bank, a branch. And the mall is so empty that not even Sagicor has opened its branch. So just to give you guys some perspective, when this mall was, before it was finished, it was fully booked. Every store rented. And Millennium Mall is open a couple years now, and I think 80% of the mall is empty, if that much, if not maybe even more. So I'm just to give you guys an idea. Now, is it a total write-off? No, they just need to fix it up, put in the supermarket, put in more food stores, and well, it's a terrible location, but the mall is very big. You guys can search the channel for the name of the video is Epic Failure of a Mall, or just type in Millennium Mall and search the channel. We have videos up under the name Millennium Mall as well, and you will see it's a massive mall, huge. Billions of dollars were spent to build that mall, but it just didn't work out. The mall has been open a few years now, and there is no supermarket there. None. Can you imagine? You build this massive mall and don't have a supermarket. There is, I think, one food store down there, and I don't know, maybe it's the rent, maybe it's the maintenance, I don't know. We're going to do a follow-up video and try to find out from persons how much the rent is. Maybe the rent is a factor, but alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Super Valley Town Center. Very, very popular mall in Kingston. Very successful mall. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.